Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over. For sale, Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Freying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ewushoma akwaba eba tuma GH and the hottest breaking news ena mede ebro ne nyina afa e papa honorable Agyapong showdown or dictate mu say obeshow his excellency Akufo Addo and the vice Dr. Bawumia some time ago no na we na enura enodi ne 64th birthday ena wo gina so e pacho e kire mu nieti a or decide yes or the vote ebema e papa Dr. Bawumia na afi so no osanso stress ni followers ni supporters nyina no enka ne ho no mu nyina for mo support emboa Dr. Bawumia se ne be ya abato na ede enim no obetumi afa no one touch.
Again, today is my 64th birthday. I want to appeal to all the supporters that, last week I went with the Vice President to Ashanti region, and it didn't go well with some of you. Let me apologize for not informing you before I went there. What I want all the party people to know that I have not resigned from the party. I am not going independent. I'm still an MPP member. And once I'm a party member, no matter what happens during the primaries, I think we are all party people, and it is the best for all of us to come together. So I'm pleading with my supporters. Let's use my birthday to reconcile. I'm also appealing to Vice President supporters. I know they are intimidating my supporters. If they want us to come together and unite for a united front, then they should also reciprocate the same favors I'm rendering on behalf of my supporters. So I'm pleading with both sides. We have finished the election, the primaries. The Vice President has won, and therefore there is no Agyapong supporters, no Vice President supporters. MPP supporters. If you know me very well, I'm not selfish. People have come to me several times, so go independent, go independent. I think that is not the wise thing to do. And therefore, I have refused to do that. So I'm pleading with the supporters and MPP party supporters, MPP people at large everywhere, that with united front, we can win the election in 2024. I'm glad the national chairman is here. I know he's listening attentively, and he will report to the party. The whole one. Let's come together and win 2024. So the reconciliation starts from my birthday. But we all forget whatever went on. Let's move ahead so that victory will be ours. And if you believe in Ghana, as I always say, Ghana first. If Ghana first, then I cannot sit back and watch for us to go through this. That will not be Ghana first, but rather selfishness. It means I've been selfish. I'm not selfish. and then loyal to MPP. Folks, let's celebrate my birthday for unity in MPP and forge ahead to fight and win 2024. God bless all of you.
Assembly every ase na minim say ya na ba ko wie say Bawumia be wini o say honorable Agyapong na be wini o e ba ko wie say on be sign akabom e to da wotu wona wo hwe the way enyemesifa ye na obeka say it was a planting because almost within a year ago na MPP air trended everywhere ye papa Alan air trended Dr. Bawumia air trended honorable Agyapong so air trended omunna air trended on one party ticket NPP amagana for ehuomu ye pa na fe enyuma panso opese mo ye magana so no ama timufo no ehu akoma papa omo wo ana adwene a omo wo edema party no na honorable Agyapong we nyine wiye no enkofo bi nimu edwa ya ebi su mama ebi sikashi ebi I so disappointed in honorable Agyapong Agyapong omonti ase ni enti a honorable Agyapong beba bonten no abeka ensemboni we nyina fire apa Bawumia ho say Bawumia incompetent so betimi handle o man no na wetimi aka we nyina wi a adenti e na afa de wasa akotwesi e be ka kire yen say Bawumia is the best man to help Ghana ebusuya politics say akonya ne beda ho say obia empre dia na de betimi akoso ni obia be isu na hoden owo na nyansa owo honorable Agyapong obi otumi e kasa yi pa eto de ne kasa no etwedom anadoya oye ene niam ahodo oye no ene ogina so eye the campaign Dr. Bawumia so eye obi a ojo enti the campaign no oye ne boko enti ye hu system a oyusu ye nim sika o mai ye nim e kon yo fa so ba de ko wi etie ne ye say delegate no eto aba edema no mesel say also de comment ebeto abonte ne wo ha wonso wozifa jesa assembly na fe.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over.
For sale.
Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Frey. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037 or 0277-469-933. 5-bedroom houses in Tantra Hills Estate, all for sale. Call us now cause it's very affordable.